How to have a good live stream is to have a professional team to run your lights and your camera for you, and you're good to go.
Okay, cut.
Okay, let's go. Today we have Mr. Kai share with us how live streaming has been impacting business.
How can we actually bring the event to the audience without being in a large gathering?
Hello everyone, so now you're watching the Food Daily Show with Sammie. So this is the best seller. It's the blueberry flavor, tiramisu flavor, mango flavor and also cheese flavor.